In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Ninjatrader Superdom. The Superdom is your price ladder and order entry panel, designed for fast, precise trading. To open it, go to the Ninjatrader Control Center, choose New, then select Superdom. You can pick static or dynamic. Static keeps price levels anchored so the ladder doesn't scroll as price moves, while dynamic will recenter around the current market. Choose whichever feels more comfortable for your eyes and workflow. Before placing any orders, set your basics. At the top of the Superdom, choose your instrument, confirm your account, set the quantity, and pick a time in force, like day or good till canceled. Double-check these settings every session to avoid surprises. Let's walk through common order types. The ladder displays prices with a buy column on one side and a sell column on the other. To place a limit order, just left-click at the price level where you want to be filled. Click in the buy column to submit a buy limit below the market, or in the sell column to place a sell limit above the market. You'll see an order bar appear at that price with your quantity. For a market if touched order, hold Control and left-click the price level. An MIT becomes a market order only when that price is touched, which can help you get in as price reaches your trigger without immediately going to market. To place a stop market order, hold Control and use a middle click on the desired price. This is typically used to exit if price moves against you. Once the stop price is hit, it becomes a market order. For a stop limit order, middle click the price, set your tick offset when prompted, then confirm. The offset defines how far beyond the stop your limit price can be, giving you control over slippage while still using a stop trigger. To modify any working order, click once on its order bar to select it, then click the new price level to move it. To cancel an order, simply click the X on that order bar. If you want linked orders where one cancels the other, right-click inside the Superdom and choose OCO order. With OCO active, orders in the group are tied together so that filling one automatically cancels the other, which is useful for pairing entries with exits. Finally, customize your view to fit your style. Right-click and choose columns to add or remove display columns such as P&L, filled quantity, or volume. A clean, relevant layout helps you react quickly and confidently,